Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a flash flicker effect in CapCut using text. So I just selected this black background in stock videos. Go to text here and add text, and I'm just going to go to the numbers here and choose this dash, and I'm going to really scale it until it covers the whole thing like so. Then I will just go to animation here, then go to loop, and then choose the kind of like flickering one, just somewhere here. I just gotta find it first. Oh, it's random flash. Okay, make it like really fast, okay? And then you're just going to export that. Now you are going to select overlay, add overlay. This is on a new project, by the way, and add in the video that we just made. I'm going to turn it sideways since this video is kind of more portrait. And then I'm going to go to splice, and then I'm going to select overlay. You can adjust like how light you want the flash to be, but that is pretty much it. This is what it will look like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!